Welcome back to 50 Car. Some cars whisper sophistication, others roar with untamed power. The 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Concept does both, melding brute strength with refined design, making every journey a statement of dominance. Exterior, a masterpiece of muscle and precision. Step by step, the front fascia is aggressive, boasting a sculpted hood with dual heat extractors, flanked by piercing LED headlights. The blackened grille, featuring Dodge's signature crosshair, amplifies its intimidating presence. The side profile is muscular yet fluid, with 20-inch lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires. The rear end is equally striking, showcasing LED taillights connected by a sleek black bar and a quad exhaust system that hints at its immense power. Pros: bold, aggressive, and aerodynamically refined. Cons: slightly bulky for tight city streets. Interior, where power meets comfort. Inside, the cabin is an oasis of performance and luxury. Carbon fiber trims, Alcantara seats, and a flat-bottom steering wheel set the tone. The 12.3-inch digital cluster provides sharp graphics, while the 15-inch infotainment screen offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Harman Kardon speakers create a concert-like audio experience, while ambient lighting enhances the mood. Pros: high-tech, luxurious, and driver-focused. Cons: the third row space is slightly compact. Performance: a symphony of speed and control. Under the hood, a supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 delivers a breathtaking 797 horsepower. The AWD system, adaptive suspension, and 10-speed automatic transmission ensure razor-sharp handling. 0 to 100 kilometers h, 3.5 seconds. Top speed, 290 kilometers h. Pros: thrilling acceleration, precise handling. Cons: fuel efficiency takes a hit. Competitors and price. Rivals include the BMW X5M, Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S, and Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Estimated price: $90,000 plus. Ideal for performance enthusiasts craving power and luxury. Final verdict: the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Concept is a masterpiece of American muscle, blending raw power with high-end comfort. Ideal for those who refuse to compromise between performance and luxury.